Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for his questions. Allow me, Madam Speaker, to firstly elaborate on the importance of aquaculture for Fiji and then how the government worked towards putting fish on the table for our inland and highland communities. Madam Speaker, aquaculture is a relatively new development for most Pacific Island countries where it has been attempted. Its history goes back less than 30 years. Culture of marine and freshwater species generally still remains at the subsistence or backyard and experimental stage in the Pacific. This is because considerable development is required before aquaculture can be considered economically sustainable. Fiji, however, Madam Speaker, has the foresight, technical knowledge, and the political will to change the dynamics of driving aquaculture in a more productive and sustainable manner. It has, through its aquaculture development, driven programs such as tilapia, seaweed, shrimp, black pearl, freshwater prawn, giant clam, milkfish, live rock and coral, and sandfish. Madam Speaker, Fiji currently has and continues to invest in aquaculture through funding of 7 projects for aquaculture development. These projects are spread throughout the 4 divisions with a total of 2006 funding of $2.5 million. To address the need of our rural, inland small-scale subsistence farmers, the Department of Fisheries has projects and infrastructure in place. These include freshwater aquaculture program. Through this program, 4 hatcheries have been developed. The tilapia hatcheries in Ba and Durulolo, with a capacity to produce about 1 million tilapia babies and saving about 267 fish farmers. This will improve livelihoods and provide for food security for the farmers. The prawn hatchery in Ngaloa, producing close to 1 million prawn babies annually for 35 freshwater prawn farmers in Fiji. The Nraketi hatchery, which is currently being revived to serve the needs and sustainable development of aquaculture in the Northern Division. Then we have the Zamboni multi-species hatchery. This is a new 1.7 million hatchery in the Boni to be also utilized as a research and training center, and we also have a food security program on aquaculture. This food security program enables provision of financial support through subsidy for farmers to strengthen food security and improve livelihoods through aquaculture development. In addition to this initiative, Madam Speaker, the Department of Fisheries also provides tilapia and post-larvae at no cost to the farmers for the stocking of their fish and prawn ponds annually. A dedicated team of aquaculture specialists who provide farm development and husbandry training and advice for both freshwater prawn and fish. Feasibility survey for new farming requests. Provides ongoing aquaculture farm, grow out, and culture training. Madam Speaker, it is here in the inland and highland region of Fiji where aquaculture complements many integrated production systems such as agriculture and aquaculture, and livestock and fish farming, to name a few. Aquaculture fits well with the integrated rural development programs in achieving fish for the table. Madam Speaker, the Department of Fisheries fully recognizes that the aquaculture also plays a crucial role not only in national economic development but also in food supply, achieving food security, and contribution to livelihoods. It is through these small, medium-scale rural aquaculture integrated programs the Department provides, Madam Speaker, with the Fiji government be able to facilitate a sustainable rural economy and secure improvements in the welfare of the rural population.
Thank you. Supplementary question, the Honourable Ratu Kiriraki.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I have a simple question for a villager in the inland of Naitasiri. If he wants to build a pond, how much does he have to pay to be able to breed tilapia, to be able to put it on the table? How much does he have to pay for a pond, fish pond. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
The onus is on the Honourable Minister to answer the question or give a written answer.
Madam Speaker, it's under the food security program. The pond is constructed by the ministry. Thank you.
Thank you.